Best friend tayo.
1, 2, 3. Happy day, Kamay Ka!
Bianca! Hello! Bianca, pa-picture naman! Bianca! Pa-picture naman!
Bye-bye, ganda naman eh. Congrats sa Pride.
Wait, don't show it! Ikaw na!
Bye-bye, Bianca.
Bye, Bianca!
Ingat.
Bye, Bianca!
I think it's my first time working with a child actor as my on-screen partner. And Luis is very professional. As in, I remember the first scene that we had together. Parang after, naalala ko, natulala lang talaga ako. Sabi ko, totoo ba ito? Nakakapagbatuhan ako ng linya sa kanya because he's really good and, you know, I've been a fan of his work even before. Natutuwa ako kasi parang kahit yung simpleng nuance namin ni Kuya Chong na parang as Silent Chong na nakukuha nila and napapasok nila as Boss Vincent and Badeth. So nakakatawa na nagigets nila yung dynamics namin ni Boss Vincent and nakakatawa na from dark or heavy series na It's Okay, nakakapagdala kami ng light doon sa series, doon sa mga scenes.
Po na after everything, nandito pa rin tayo simula bata. Napagdaanan natin yung awkward stage na wala kang makuha ang project kasi hindi mo alam kung saan ka nila ilalagay. Alanganing bata, alanganing teenager, hindi pwede pang matanda na yung itsura. So it's good to be back at thank you sa ABS-CBN, kapamilya, kasi naalagaan nila yung mga child actors na nagsimula sa kanila ever since. So very, very grateful.
Kinikilig talaga ako pag sinasabihan akong yan. As in, sobra. Parang feeling ko nabubuhay yung kaluluwa ko pag sinasabihan ako yan. But honestly, there can only be one Ann Curtis and nobody can ever compare to her. Second, sorry, kanina pa kasi ako naaaning. Mababash kasi ako kapag hindi ko ito nasabi. Balik tayo sa question ko. Si Luis pala yung second na child actor na nakatrabaho. Sabi ko kasi kanina, wait, sa'yo may mali. May mali. Sorry. Oo nga, first, second. Siya pala yung second. Okay, anyway.